And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back. What a great day to be in Colorado Springs. We had the parade this morning and afternoon, went off without a hitch. A number of us from Channel 5 were there and meeting and greeting the fine folks along the parade route. And you know what? Not too shabby down south in Pueblo either. It was a sunny day with just a few high, thin cirrus near us. So a great St. Patty's Day weather-wise. Very thankful for that. Meanwhile, I want to show you the satellite radar. The thing to notice here is it's all quiet on the Front Range, totally clear sky, and it's still pretty clear all the way out to Vail. A few high, thin clouds now beginning to press into northwesternmost parts of the state. Beehive State is getting some snow, though, to our west or to our left, and that is a frontal boundary that extends from a fairly large storm system. It's large, but it's not overly intense. But after the warm weather we've had today, it's going to be a real attention getter, the drop in temperatures tomorrow night into Monday. The storm itself, were it to hit us directly, would give us a fair amount of moisture, but it's not moving in our direction. It's moving north of the border up into Canada. So we get the trailing cold front, which brings just a stripe of precipitation. We're talking about for the Front Range. The mountains will get more, probably 4 to 8 inches for much of the mountains to our west. But for the Front Range, this front will kind of get caught up right along the Continental Divide tomorrow afternoon and evening, holding off the precipitation until tomorrow night for the Front Range and up and down I-25. So we'll start off tomorrow morning with some fairly bright sunshine through the midday hours. Then later in the day, this front will begin to make its way through the passes and the skies will begin to cloud up. So it starts off bright but fades in the afternoon hours. The winds will pick up late in the afternoon into the evening hours. Why am I showing you a snow forecast? It's not so much for the amounts, it's to show you the areas that this computer model is picking up on where you'll get snow. 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it's south and west of the Sangre de Cristos. But by 5, 6, 7 o'clock, it's now spreading towards the Front Range. Woodland Park getting a dusting of snow by 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. And notice how it misses us to our north. So I literally think the El Paso Pueblo County line is going to be the divided line between basically nothing, rain or snow tomorrow evening and overnight, and something, probably rain going to snow tomorrow night into the overnight hours. So a dry day Sunday, wind, rain, and snow at night, particularly above that line, the Pueblo-El Paso County line. At night, blustery and cold for Monday with some lingering flurries. Tonight's lows not that cold, upper 20s, low 30s. Forecast highs for tomorrow, not quite as warm as today because of the increasing clouds later in the day tomorrow, but still mild, mostly 50s, some low 60s. Tomorrow night, pretty decent chance for the Springs, rain to snow. Lingering flurries on Monday. First day of spring on Tuesday looks bright and seasonable. Dramatic warm up for Wednesday and especially Thursday when we could break 70 degrees. No real further precipitation in the forecast for Friday, Saturday, but it clouds up on Friday and gets a little breezy. Pueblo, just a small chance for some sprinkles tomorrow late afternoon and at night. Otherwise, a bright midday. Then it turns sharply colder for Monday, but mainly dry, just blustery. First day of spring looks nice. Wednesday, fine. And then Thursday, I was tempted to go 80, but I'll hold off another day. Canyon City, upper 50s. Sunny morning, increasing clouds in the afternoon, blustery and cold on Monday. First day of spring looks fine. Dry weather through Thursday and Friday with highs climbing into the 60s and 70s. Woodland Park, you've got some snow tomorrow, late morning, afternoon, evening. Maybe an inch. Wouldn't be surprised by that, but with the ground being relatively warm lately, wouldn't count on much more than that. Lingering flurries and blustery conditions on Monday. Dry on Tuesday, first day of spring, and you even get into the 50s for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So it's the time is tomorrow night.
Good.
Rain to snow, or snow in the mountains, of course, and then windy through the overnight into Monday.
We'll keep a close eye on it. Thanks, Jeff. Well.